Hi folks, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete. Today the star of the show is pork tenderloin. It's such a reasonably priced meat. I picked these up at Sam's Club. They're like between $4 and $5 a piece. They come in a 2-pack or 4-pack. And they're usually cleaned up very nicely. Pork tenderloin is like a meat sponge, just waiting for your flavor. Any flavor you can think of. Salad dressings. Open up that spice cabinet. Get creative. There's no rules. So the first one, what I have here, is a tablespoon of olive oil. I have a tablespoon of fresh squeezed lemon. A teaspoon of dill. A teaspoon of garlic powder. And a half a teaspoon of pepper. I'll mix that all up nicely and we'll get it into our Ziploc bag. And in my next one, all I'm simply going to use is some jerk sauce. Maybe you like barbecue sauce. I found this Jamaican jerk sauce. Once you get your ingredients in your bag, mix it all around nice and even, and then take out all the air. Just roll it up, zip it up, get it in the fridge. We'll add a little more jerk for the last, few minutes of cooking. You can also do this in the barbecue or the oven. Well, I'm doing it in the barbecue. It's beautiful outside. Let's get at it. They've been flipped one time after 5 minutes. They're coming along nicely. What we're looking for is 140 degrees. This is what I'm going to use, a little quick read thermometer. That's what you need. So we're at 120 degrees. Let's give them another little roll. A few more minutes, that'll be perfect. In the last few minutes of cooking here, we'll get a little more of our jerk sauce on the tenderloin that already has the jerk sauce on it. They look perfect. We'll let these rest for about 10 minutes and we'll plate them up. The lemon and herb pork tenderloin would go excellent with some rice and a veg on the side. Now my jerk pork tenderloin, I'm going to make some sliders. We're going to slice that up, use some little slider buns, and I've whipped up like a little bit of a Thai kind of flavor coleslaw. The sweetness of this and the spice of the jerk sauce is fabulous. So let's cut into this. Oh my, doesn't that look beautiful? Just a hint of pink, exactly what we're looking for. Put these in a nice slices for our sliders. Going to be so good. I've got my 4 ingredients all ready to make my sliders. Got my coleslaw, my pork tenderloin, my little slider buns, and then I got a little extra jerk sauce here. I'm just going to put a little bit of that on top of my bun. A couple pieces of pork tenderloin. And then some of my coleslaw. You can make so many of these with just one pork tenderloin. It'd be great for a party, gang of people together. Oh boy, looks delicious. So folks, I hope you enjoy my videos. If you do, subscribe. You have to log into YouTube, hit the little red button, and subscribe to my videos. You'll be updated every time I shoot out a new video on Mondays. My recipes are on there as well. You'll get the ingredients for this coleslaw and all the other ingredients that I used today. Well, the best time is here. I get to try the goods. So good. You're gonna love it. The crunchiness of the coleslaw, the tenderness of that pork tenderloin, those fresh little buns. So good. Well, thanks for coming out and visiting In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya.